All right, let's take a peek at this 3.2 checkup. These are now practicing your adding or subtracting of polynomials, and you can use the method that you prefer. Do you prefer to write vertically and add, or do you prefer just the remove parentheses and grouping? So I'm going to use the preferred method for myself, which is removing parentheses and grouping. So here I go, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. Because there's no subtraction going on, all the signs stay the same. 3x squareds are going to go with 4x squareds. Negative 2x's and plus 3x's. And then the two constants at the end. So I'm left with 7x squareds. Notice we're adding a coefficient in front. Plus 1x plus 3 for a final answer. So sometimes there's only one term and there's nothing to combine it with. So in this case, you can have the negative 1x squared or just negative x squared is fine, and there was nothing to combine with the 8x. So remember that when the signs are the same, we have to subtract and keep the sign of the larger. Now on these last ones, it's when we're subtracting. And so on these, it does get a little bit trickier. You have to be careful of the signs and make sure you distribute that negative to the back two parts here. So the front, we're getting rid of the parentheses. And in the back, we're minusing 2x squareds and minusing 2. There's only one 9x, nothing to combine it with. So final answer is 1x squared, nothing to combine with a negative 9x, and plus 2. Getting rid of the parentheses. The front part stays the same. The back part, the negative distributes. Group together x squareds with x squareds. Minus 2x with another minus 2x. Some students may mistakenly think that those middle terms cross out if they messed up with the negative, but in fact there are two negative 2x's. How'd you do? All right, let's try the back three. So again, we've got this front part staying the same. The back part gets all the negatives. 9x squared is going to combine with negative 2x squared, 5x with negative 4x, and 4 with minus 2. Notice there's only one constant to combine. Front signs stay the same. x signs are all going to change, -3, +9, and -12. And we're done. So Ms. Sanchez prefers the get rid of parentheses and grouping method. You can use this or the vertical method. You choose.